Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. So let us start by adding both indicators to the chart. All right. Okay, so Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index are both widely used in technical indicators, right? They are both widely used in technical analysis, okay? But they analyze different aspects of the market. Bollinger Bands measure price, volatility, and deviation from a moving average, right? The indicator consists of a middle moving average line, as you can see, and then two outer bands that expand or contract based on volatility. Traders often watch how price interacts with the bands to identify potential volatility expansions, market compression, or price extremes, right? But now you can see the relative strength index measures momentum by comparing recent gains and losses over a selected number of periods. So the indicator ranges from 0 to 100 and helps identify potential overbought conditions above 70, right? Above 70, you can see the 70 level, and oversold conditions below 30. So the main difference is that Bollinger Bands analyze volatility and price boundaries, while the RSI focuses on momentum strength. Okay, so because of this difference, many traders use both indicators together when analyzing price charts. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.